We're gonna make ourselves a really easy chicken snack here and take care of some nasty pests at the same time. If you have lilies, this is a gross time of year. This is when the lily beetles come out and start destroying your plants. So I have this water bottle. I put a little bit of water on the bottom. Some of these are crawling out, but that's okay. Just to stop them from flying. I'm just going through here. We got a little action going on here. And I'm just gonna take them and put them in the water bottle. Give it a good shake. And then get it ready to get some more. Throw a dandelion flower in there too. What I'm doing here, I'm just going around. I'm finding stuff that the chickens might enjoy as a treat. I'm gonna put it all in this water bottle. And in the end, I'm going to fill this with water and freeze it. The chickens love dandelion leaves. We're gonna work on our skills over here in the asparagus. These guys are a little faster. He's trying to hide in the ground right there. Ain't gonna let him do it. This is the asparagus beetle. It is a demon to the asparagus. He's going to go into the chicken treat as well as any others I find here. One creature I despise in the garden that is hard to get rid of are slugs. Slugs will do great in this chicken treat. It's still early, so there's not as many pests in the garden right now. We're just getting a jump on the season by coming out here. But I assure you, I am going to fill this up with pests and other good chicken snacks I find, some of these fresh greens. When the Japanese beetles show up, I'll be walking around with gallon jugs, filling those up to make these. I am all about recycling and earth-friendly organic practice, so even when I'm disposing of pests, I don't want them to go to waste. I'm gonna put them to good use. I'm gonna turn them into eggs and the good compost that the chickens make. Then I'll just go ahead and fill her up with some well water. Not all the way, because when this freezes, it'll explode if you fill it up all the way. And then now I'll just let her sit in the freezer. She's all froze up. Take a sharp knife, cut the plastic off. And look at that. This would be a lot nicer if it was hot out. It's a little chilly out now, but we'll go ahead and just leave this in here for the chickens. Let them start picking at it. They'll figure it out sooner or later, and then they'll jump in there and eat all those nasty garden pests and all the other snacks I put in there. They really like it when the black raspberries come out. So here is a good warm weather chicken snack that you can make. Super simple, just frozen water filled with chicken treats. Thanks for watching.